Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Carb Manager, the #1 keto and low-carb diet app in both the App Store and Google Play. We provide our users with the best tools available to lose weight and sustainably improve their health and well-being. Carb Manager is more than just calories in, calories out. We understand that not all calories are created equal. That's why macros tracking is at the forefront of our app experience. Whether you're a low-carb beginner or a keto expert, the premium and free versions of Carb Manager provide essential tools for you to succeed along your low-carb journey. Our free version includes unlimited food logging, barcode scanning, net carb tracking, sample recipes, exercise logging, goal setting, and even an ebook to get you up to speed on keto. Once you're ready to upgrade to premium, you'll unlock the full power of the most advanced low-carb tracking tools available. Premium includes detailed macros tracking, fitness device integration, meal plans, shopping lists, unlimited snap photo logging, premium recipes, voice logging, advanced analytics, and a whole lot more. Best of all, you will have access to these tools for just a few dollars a month. Okay, who's ready to start using the app? Let's have a look at a few of the Carb Manager features I'm excited about. When you first create an account, you'll tell us a bit about yourself and your goals. With that information, we'll create a personalized plan to make it as easy as possible to reach your goals and start living your best life. From the very beginning, you'll know your target calorie intake, what macro ratio to follow, and which recipes will best support your health journey. After establishing your personalized plan, it's time to begin logging food. Simply select the food logger from the home screen, find the food that you want to log, and tap Add. Logging food is even faster when you use the barcode scanner or our Snap-a-Pic feature. Scan, add, and go. Your daily log will keep you informed on your daily calorie and macros intake, and on how many you can still eat to remain on track. With our extensive and delicious recipe database, you'll never have to eat the same thing twice. Browse until a dish catches your eye. Or be particular. Narrow your criteria down to your specific diet type, your macro goals, or even to any allergies or aversions your family may have. Our meal planner saves you time and money by letting you choose an entire week's worth of meals, automatically scaling them to fit your macros, and generating a grocery list with only the exact items that you'll need for the week. I know as well as you that managing your carbs can be tough. That's why we've integrated the all-new Connect tool. Now you can work with your friends and family to achieve your low-carb goals. For extra motivation, join our weekly Carb Manager Challenge. Or for premium members, enroll in Carb Manager's Keto Academy, a brand new educational portal with video courses on everything keto. Carb Manager is your all-in-one keto and low-carb diet resource, with every tool you'll need to become a keto diet success story. You can do this, and we've got your back. If you've already downloaded the app, then congrats on taking the first step toward better health for you and your family. To gain some momentum on your journey, open the app, set your goals, then join the Carb Manager Challenge in the Connect section. But most importantly, have fun. If you're serious about achieving your goals, consider upgrading to Carb Manager Premium. While the free app is powerful enough to get you started, users who upgrade to Carb Manager Premium report 3 times the results of free users. Unlock the power of Premium right now by opening the app and tapping Unlock All. If you don't have the app yet, you can find it in the App Store or in Google Play. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, you'll find a direct link below. We're so thankful to have you as a member of the Carb Manager family. Happy carb tracking!